show you a very old tree. That ton of people try to save the tree because it was really falling down. And I'm at this park and I saw this tree here. This is a big tree that was actually falling. This is a very old tree, and let's go in there. So here we are, and here is the so big tree, and you might notice already something. Yes, that. So yeah, they try to save this tree because I'm pretty sure this would be falling down if we didn't have this, because they had two chances. One, if they really didn't need this tree, didn't really want this tree, or they didn't have a use for it, they could cut it, or yeah. But they put this, trying to put this thing on to like hold it, and you can see that branch was falling down, and that thing holded it. So yeah. And here we go. There's also 3 more things I'm gonna tell you more. So you can see one big rope up there. So this one, that one. That is the rope, and that rope goes up there to that rope, and then that rope goes down to that rope, and there's also one more rope there. So yeah, these all are trying to save nature, and you can see they put a screw in there to stop it fall down, and that one also. They normally put in a rope to not let it fall down. Yeah, and there's one more. That one, the big branch. That one. So that rope. So this was falling down, and you can see how they did it. And normally this is a very old tree because it was falling down. People put all these things on, and yeah. And look, I have an example because this is a bit falling. See, I can wiggle it with my hand. See, they just try to put that thing on for like safety. It's not fall down on anybody for safety. They could cut it or not, but I guess this is the bestest example of humanity. And guys, I have one more thing here. How these are tied? They're not tied like they only put a rope and that, because the rope could break, because these are very heavy, as I told you. No, I didn't told you that. But yeah, these are very heavy. These are heavy. So they put that thing on, and they put in a screw to put that thing on, and then they tied it, and they tied up to there to just make it stable, because if you tie it with that way, it will not work. So, and do you see anything nature about me? Yes, it's that. And bye. See you next time. Before you're going, one thing that you learned from this episode was save nature and everything.